Hello my lovelies, how you all doing? I hope you're keeping well and staying crafty. I'm coming on with day 36 of the DIY iCAD 2024. We've got the list of prompts for week 6 and I got them last night. I was sitting in bed last night, got the prompts come up, and my first thought was, oh my god. What the heck? And I just sat there looking at it, and all of a sudden my brain was like bing, 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 with all these ideas for all of the prompts. I don't know what was going on, I'm sure, but I'm really on the ball with this week's. After initially looking at them and thinking, oh dear. So let's hope, fingers crossed, everything crossed, that I can turn them into what I'm envisaging. I've already done 3 today. Anyway, so this is day 36 and it was balance. And this is what I've come up with and I really love it. So I generated this little image on Bing. I just put in cute cat on a unicycle or something like that. And cut it, the background was all different, cut it out and put it on, well, I think I'm going to say it's, could be sprayed, but I think it's Distress Oxides on glossy card, and then, like I said the other day, you wipe the milkiness off with a damp cloth and it becomes, don't know whether you can see, shiny. I think that's what it is, some sort of painty paper anyway. And so we have Mitzi had perfect balance on her unicycle. Look at her, she is balancing perfectly, she's so good. We used to have a cat called Mitzi, little tabby cat she was, bless her. Oh, I love it. And then I've just given her some the Nouveau, I always say Nouveau crystal glaze on her little eyes. I did think about glitter on her hairband or something, but I haven't. Oh, and just some washi tape across the bottom. And then I tried to do a little bit of shadow in there. I copied it off of what was on the original card. Oh, you can see it a bit. Copied because I'm no good with shadows and shades. I know it's all to do with the light and all that, blah, blah, blah. I just can't get my head around it. I thought, well, the easiest way is just have a look what the original picture was, and that's like, oh, it is showing up a bit, that's what it was like. So I just went over it with a purple pencil, then just a little bit of washi tape at the top, and then some gold around the edges. And if I remember, I'm going to leave on the thumbnail. I've never thought to do it before. I thought I would leave the list of prompts. If I can do, if that'll go up as a thumbnail. So if anybody, that's not everybody's on Instagram and that, so I thought I would do that for this next week. But isn't she pretty? So yes, so that's day 36. So thank you ever so much for watching, everyone. Take care and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye.